Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap East Point local and long-distance movers near me. You can contact us to meet any long-distance moving need. If you have any specific requirements, please feel free to talk to our experts. We will take care of your unique requirements. Here's what we provide to our customers: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Why do some people prefer DIY methods over hiring a professional East Point company? They don't want to pay fees to a local mover and focus on saving money. This approach can easily backfire. If you lack the experience and expertise in handling various types of objects and materials, you could easily end up damaging your most valuable possessions. Experienced local movers have the training and skills to get the job done safely. So investing in a professional moving company is a much better option than DIY moving methods. You also don't have the time and resources to move your belongings safely. Our systematic approach leaves nothing to guesswork and offers the most reliable and advanced moving services to help you get settled in your new home without unwanted delays. We perform a local move in just a few hours with a clear focus on safety and reliability. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our East Point moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.